Good morning, children. Today we'll be starting television, another important means of communication. Television. The Delhi Doordarshan Center was inaugurated by Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first Indian president. Doordarshan's Mumbai Center. Now, again, fill in the blanks or choose the correct option. Delhi Doordarshan Center was inaugurated by Dash, that is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Or three options will be given to you: Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, and Subhash Chandra Bose. And you will have to choose from them. Okay. The first Indian president, Doordarshan's Mumbai Center, began to telecast its program on uh, 1st May. Again, that green dot has gone. Why it is going? Okay, chalo. Once again, I'll be reading. The Delhi Doordarshan Center was inaugurated by Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Okay, he was the first president of Free India, the first president of India. Doordarshan's Mumbai Center began to telecast its program on 1st May. Again, four dates will be given to you, and you will have to choose the correct option. Okay. 1st May 1972, color television was introduced on 15th August 1982. In 1991, the Indian government granted permission to private national and international channels to telecast in India. See, the first program took place on 1st May 1972. Color television was till then, when it was introduced, it was black and white. Then color television was introduced on 15th August 1982. That means 10 years. It has taken 10 years to change from black and white to color. Okay. In those days, only one channel was there, that was Doordarshan. The 1991, the Indian government granted permission to private national and international channels. Now we are having thousands of channels in our television telecast in India. Thus, it became possible. It became possible for Indians to watch international events on television. Now we are watching everything live. Whatever, suppose cricket match is taking place in England, we are sitting whatever place in India, and you are watching directly live. Okay, see, this is the progress. Why do we need mass media? We need mass media to facilitate free flow of information to all strata of the society. प्रत्येक सोसायटीच्या स्ट्रेटाला म्हणजे प्रत्येक थराला हे मास मीडियाचं mass media is available for every strata of society. Editorials, various columns, and supplements are essential parts of newspaper. Now, what are supplements? See, if you take Times of India, you will find Pune Times in that. That is called a supplement. 4 pages are there. Sometimes, if requires, it is 5 pages, and that is extra. So these are called as supplement, are essential parts of newspaper. Readers are also ensure of a platform to voice their opinions. Newspapers can help in making the democracy stronger. Okay, we have got freedom of speech. If you want to convey something, there is some column reserved for readers. Okay, and they can always go for it, and they can express their views. मराठी पेपर मध्ये वाचकांचे मनोगत असं असतं, आणि रीडर्स एक्सप्रेशन असं इंग्लिश पेपर मध्ये कॉलम्स असतात, आणि दोज आर मेंट फॉर रीडर्स, आपल्याला जे काय आपले व्ह्यूज असतील, आपल्याला वाटत असेल की दुसऱ्या रीडर्सने हे व्ह्यूज आपले वाचावे, तर ते वाचू शकतात. आणि नेक्स्ट डे तुमचे व्ह्यूज ज्या रीडर्सने वाचले त्याला ते काउंटर अटॅक करू शकतात, म्हणजे काउंटर व्ह्यूज त्यांचे देऊ शकतात. Making the democracy stronger. Television is an audio visual medium. Okay, we can listen to it and we can watch at a time. That is called audio visual medium. It was possible for this medium to cross the inherent limitations of newspapers and the radio and show the actual visuals of an event to people. So far there is no other alternative to television for watching an event as it actually happened. आतापर्यंत त्याला काही alternative नाही. Of course, if you compare whatever is taking place, IPL matches त्याचा television वर पण बघू शकता and mobile वर पण तुम्ही ते बघू शकता. So there is alternative. Critical understanding of the information. Now the IPL cricket is going on, so suppose you are away, you are traveling, okay, and you want to watch it, or you want to you want a score of it. What you have to do is just switch on your mobile and you can get updated for that. Critical understandings of the information received through mass media. Critical understanding. See, children, you will have to see the authenticity of that news. Recently only, I think some 6 months back, our great singer, Lata Mangeshkar, she was admitted in the hospital and the news had come that she's no more. And again people started, and it started circulating like wildfire. And then again the news had come that this is a false news. That means ह्या न्यूजला काही अर्थच नसतो की खोट्या खोट्या न्यूज सर्क्युलेट होतात किंवा rumors, you can call it rumors. So for that matter, anybody can drag you to the court of law. So you'll have to see what you are reading and whether the news is authentic. Critical understanding of the information received through mass media. आता ही मास मीडियाला म्हणजे कुठच्याही कधी कोणतरी तुम्हाला कॉल करू शकतं, कधी मोबाईलवर, कधी व्हॉट्सअपवर, कधी टेलिव्हिजनवर, कधी रेडिओवर अशा न्यूज येऊ शकतात. and then they apologize for whatever news they announced. Any information received through mass media needs to be reviewed critically. म्हणजे कुठचीही तुमच्याकडे न्यूज आली तर तुम्ही पुन्हा पुन्हा ती क्रिटिकली, म्हणजे बरोबर आहे की नाही, का खोटी आहे का, इट इज मेड अप न्यूज किंवा मेड अप कोणीतरी व्हिडिओ केलेला आहे आणि तो सर्क्युलेट करायला लागलाय. या सगळ्या गोष्टी तुम्हाला बघायला पाहिजे. अँड देन यू विल हॅव टू पुट इट ऑन अ मास मीडिया, टेलिव्हिजनवर, रेडिओवर किंवा न्यूजपेपरवर तुम्ही मग ती न्यूज टाकू शकता. Until and unless you verify, until and unless you check the authenticity of that news, you should not put it on a mass media, right? The news or information in the media may not always represent exact truth. कधी कधी बढ़वून चढवून पण ह्या न्यूज सांगितल्या जातात, ऑथेंटिसिटी कमी असते, बात का बतंगड बनवला जातो आणि मग ही सर्क्युलेट होतो. We need to scan it very carefully, to review किंवा to check it very carefully, very carefully. There is a very famous event of unauthentic information. Unauthentic म्हणजे ज्याला काही बेस नाही किंवा which is not true. Information appearing in print in Germany. आता जर्मनी मधला एक इन्सिडेंट त्यांनी सांगितलेला आहे की Stern, the newspaperचं नाव होतं Stern, okay. Stern is the name of that newspaper. A German weekly magazine had purchased a number of so-called handwritten diaries of Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler was a Germanचा chancellor होता तो, आणि ज्यूस लोकांना त्याने गॅस चेंबर मध्ये करून मारून टाकलं, बिकॉज ही अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम सेकंड वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर टूक प्लेस बिकॉज ऑफ द Jews. It was belief of Adolf Hitler. And तर ह्या स्टर्न मध्ये असं सांगितलं गेलं की त्याने डायरी लिहिलेली, दिनचर्या लिहिलेली, किंवा some people have got a habit of writing डायरी, की काही इम्पॉर्टंट इव्हेंट झाले एखाद्या दिवशी, किंवा काही लोक रोजच्या रोज डायरी लिहितात. तसं ह्या अडॉल्फ हिटलरला पण ही डायरी लिहायची सवय होती. आणि त्या स्टर्न न्यूजपेपर मध्ये असं सांगितलं गेलं की त्याची डायरी मिळाली. इट सोल्ड देम टू व्हेरियस पब्लिकेशन कंपनीज. The diaries were verified for their authenticity, and subsequently the news appeared in the print. Okay, त्याची authenticity बघितली गेली आणि मग न्यूज आली. It sold them to various publication companies. The diaries were verified for their authenticity, and subsequently the news appeared in the print. आणि सगळी त्याचं चेक झालं, स्कॅनिंग झालं, ऑथेंटिसिटी क्रिटिकली चेक केली गेली, आणि नंतर मग ती पब्लिश केली गेली. However, later, पण काही दिवसांनी, those diaries were proved to be forged. फोज करणं म्हणजे जबरदस्तीने लिहिणं. टू फोज अ सिग्नेचर. दॅट मीन्स a student has forged teacher's signature. म्हणजे he copied or he has falsely signed teacher's signature. Okay, म्हणजे where it is given that teacher's signature, there he forges teacher's signature. Becomes apparent from this example that we need to be very careful about the information published by the media. This is important. We need to be very careful about the information published by the media, right? In short, whatever you want to publish on a mass media, you will have to scan it, you will have to check the authenticity of it, you will have to critically analyze that news, and then if you are satisfied, then only you will have to publish it. The Stern German newspaper मध्ये what exactly happened is this, की त्यांना अडॉल्फ हिटलरची डायरी मिळाली असं त्यांनी सांगितलं, आणि त्यांनी ती पब्लिश केली. त्यांनी काही कंपनीजना ती सेल केली, आणि लेटर ऑन दे केम टू नो दॅट डायरीज वर फोर्ज्ड. म्हणजे कोणीतरी दुसऱ्यानेच लिहिलेली डायरी अडॉल्फ हिटलरची आहे असं सांगून ती पब्लिश केली गेली. ह्याच्यावर तुम्हाला तुमच्यावर क्रिमिनल केस पण होऊ शकते. यू कॅन गो बिहाइंड द बार्स ऑल्सो. सो यू नीड टू बी व्हेरी केअरफुल. पेन उचलला आणि न्यूज पाठवली, किंवा फोन उचलला आणि काहीतरी रुमर्स खरे आहेत करून तुम्ही तो तसा कॉल केला तरी यू विल बी इन ट्रबल, राईट? Mass media and professional opportunities. Now, again, what are the professional opportunities? You must be thinking ki kashala evda, there are lot many jobs, doctors आहेत, engineers आहेत, lawyers आहेत, IPS officer आहे, MPSC च्या एक्झाम देऊन तुम्हाला कितीतरी पोस्ट मिळू शकतात. आणि असं तुम्ही विचार करता आणि मग तुम्हाला कळतं की अरे व्हॉट इज इट, ह्याच्यात काय आहे, या मास मीडियामध्ये तर काही स्कोप नाही, आपल्याला चांगला पगार नाही मिळणार, आपल्याला चांगले स्टेटस नाही असं तुम्हाला वाटणार. इन अ कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह एक्झामिनेशन, इन अ सेमिनार which I have attended, it was like this. A blank paper was given to all of us. This is a blank paper, okay? And there was one dot. And the organizer, he said, what are you seeing? Tumhala ह्याच्यात काय दिसतं? दाखवू शकते यहाँ पे? This is the paper. What can you see? This is the dot. Okay, this is the dot. And he says, just hold on. Can you see this dot? It's a dot, okay? And he shows this blank paper to people and he asks, what are you seeing? What can you see on this blank paper? Okay. I think I'll use eraser. Eraser will erase karo. I want to show this. Look at children, this is the blank paper which the organizer had given to all of us. He marked a dot over here. Okay. It's a dot. And he asked, what can you see here? And everybody said, a paper. Okay, right, a paper. A dot. ते काय म्हणतात आम्हाला हा डॉट दिसला आम्हाला हा ब्लँक व्हाईट पेपर दिसला आम्हाला त्याच्यावर डॉट दिसला ओके बऱ्याच जणांना विचारलं एव्हरीबडी सेड द सेम थिंग दे सेड की इट इज अ रेक्टँग्युलर paper it's a white paper there is a dot which is of red color they have described everything but nobody said then the organizer smiled and he said, yes, there is a dot, but what about this blank place? This is a blank place. What about this? These are all job opportunities. हे तुम्ही काय बघितलं? हे तुम्ही फक्त डॉक्टर, इंजिनियर, lawyers, teachers, UPSC, MPSC हे बघितलं, but there are lot many job opportunity which are here, which are also important, which can give you fat salary. Okay, so this is what in the same way. मास मीडिया अँड प्रोफेशनल अपॉर्च्युनिटी ह्याच्यामध्ये पण खूप साऱ्या प्रोफेशनल अपॉर्च्युनिटीज आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला फॅट सॅलरी मिळू शकते तुम्हाला स्टेटस मिळू शकतात तुम्हाला अदर पर्क्स मिळू शकतात तुम्हाला राहायला घर मिळू शकतं तुम्हाला कन्व्हिन्स मिळतं म्हणजे जाण्या येण्याचा खर्च तुम्हाला कार दिली जाते सो ऑन अँड ऑन अँड ऑन दिस इज कॉल्ड पर्क्स ओके मास मीडिया अँड प्रोफेशनल अपॉर्च्युनिटीज newspapers have to fulfill the task of providing fresh news to its readers. It is also necessary to unfold the background of an event in the news. एखादी न्यूज देतात त्यावेळी त्याचं बॅकग्राऊंड देणं जरुरीचं असतं for the reference. At such times, newspaper have to resort to history. Okay, त्यांना हिस्ट्रीशी compare करायला लागतं. When we will have the physical school, that time I'll show you the newspaper. You just remind me the newspaper which was published on 15th August 1947. I'm having the copy of that paper. I'll be showing you. You can compare that the size of that paper is smaller. The print is very blur. It is black and white. It is not clear. Okay, that way it is. And now if you open the newspaper, you will find many colorful advertisement, colorful news. Each page is having its recognition, like front page, all headlines are there, whatever important events have taken place, that your photos stuff and so on and on. As such times, newspapers have to resort to history. While reporting news in detail, reporters try to compare it with parallel events. Parallel events म्हणजे आत्ता ही गोष्ट झाली ह्याच दिवशी some 10 years back what exactly had happened, that is called as parallel events which happened in the past. The past event may be printed in a separate frame. Okay, Ata we'll take an example of 1947, 47, 57, 67, 77 and 87. 50 years. म्हणजे 87 मध्ये we have celebrated 50 years of independence. 40 years होता. Oh, come on children. I'm sorry. 47 to 57, 67, 77, 87, 97. 97 we are celebrating. We had celebrated 50 years of our independence. मग ही पॅरलल न्यूज होती की त्या दिवशी 15th ऑगस्टला आपल्या देशात वेगवेगळ्या स्टेटमध्ये हाऊ द सेलिब्रेशन had taken place and now what kind of celebration we are enjoying on this day. Okay, so this is called parallel events which happened in the past. The past event may be printed in a separate frame. Here the pie diagram is there. Okay, history, and then it is editorial. I told you it is editorial is a writer's views are there. Some important events are written by editor. Then certain articles astat. On this day in history, what exactly had happened on this day. जसं मी आता explain केलं 1947 15th August ला काय झालं आणि 97 50 वर्ष कंप्लीट आपल्या देशाचा इंडिपेंडन्स डे आपण कसा साजरा केला. रिव्ह्यूज, परत जी गोष्ट झाली असेल त्याचा रिव्ह्यू घेतला जातो, पुन्हा एकदा ती बघितली जाते. न्यूज, अदर न्यूज, कॉलम्स म्हणजे न्यूज पेपरला दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉलम. This thing you can call as column. मध्ये ही white line आहे which is separating page into two parts. This is this one column, this is another column. Okay, so this is what is this diagram about. Does the readers gets access to additional information and he can get better insight information and he can get better insights about the current news. Okay, newspapers print columns about historical information appearing under headings such as 50 years ago or 100 years ago, etc. Such columns are based on historical documents or written history. These columns provide historical information about economic, social, political events in the past and also events of historical significance. त्या गोष्टीला हिस्ट्रीचा काय बेस आहे, historically what is important about this event. Do this. Newspapers also publish crossword puzzles. Crossword puzzles असतात. I don't know whether you people saw or not, but it's fun doing it. It is my favorite pastime. It crossword puzzles astat. It is vertically एक word दिला जातो. These are the letters. Suppose this is a fort. Okay. अजून column घेऊया. I feel. Okay. All forts are there, but columns are less. This is called crossword puzzle. Okay, like fort of Shivaji Maharaj. This is T. So, now, okay. This way there are certain forts and you will have to solve it. Movies se dila ta patkan solve karal. Do this. Newspapers also publish crossword puzzles based on history. Try to create similar crossword puzzles. For example, use fort names to create a puzzle. I'll prepare and show it to you. Newspapers occasionally publish supplements to the regular edition or special issues. For example, World War First commenced on 1914. Year 2014 marked the 100th year of this event. आता in 1914, year 1914 मध्ये काय झालं तर एंटायर वर्ल्ड वॉज इन्वॉल्ड इन द वॉर आणि 100 वर्षांनी जेव्हा आपण हा सेलिब्रेट केला दॅट इज 2014 मध्ये आपण पीसफुली लाईफ एन्जॉय करत होतो. Mark the 100th year of this event. In order to be able to publish a newspaper supplement or a special issue to commemorate means in the memory of the occasion, one needs to review its history. In 2017, 75 years were completed after the announcement of Quit India movement. Okay, it was started by Mahatma Gandhi. On such occasion, newspapers highlight the event through various articles, editorial columns like what happened in history on this day. Same thing. आता लाईव्ह एक्झाम्पल घेतलं तर आपण लॉकडाऊन आपण कधी स्टार्ट केला आय थिंक मार्च 22nd of March ला आपण लॉकडाऊन स्टार्ट केलं. टिल देन वी डिड नॉट नो what exactly lockdown means. Okay, आणि असं म्हणतात की 100 years back this kind of situation was there. I'll send one video on WhatsApp, you can watch it. People were roaming with face covered with mask. Okay, and next year if next year everything, hopefully everything will be clear, and in March we will be very happy and free birds. Okay, so what we are going to review, we are going to review the 22nd of March 2020, 22nd March 2020, and 6 months, April, May, June, July, August, September. This is the 6th month going on. 6 महिने आपण कशी काढले आणि 2021 मधले हे 6 months कशी होते त्याचा आपण comparatively review घेतला. That means past and present we have compared, and in this way the newspaper publish, right? They take review. On such occasions, newspaper highlights the event through various articles, editorial columns like what happened in history on this day, reviews, etc. The knowledge of history is essential for writing of such type. Try to do this. Try to collect information about the role of underground radio center in the Quit India movement of 1942 with the help of your teachers. Of course, we will be doing this. You also come with this thing. Underground radio, that means only the freedom fighters, they used to have these radio centers where they used to convey the messages, okay, which were not known to Britishers. History is also essential in planning radio programs. Okay, of course, radio program. हिस्ट्री म्हणजे काय की पास्ट मध्ये आपण ज्या चुका केल्या किंवा पास्ट मध्ये आपण एवढी ऍडव्हान्स नव्हतो, आणि पास्ट मध्ये जेव्हा आपण ऍडव्हान्स नव्हतो, टेक एन एक्झाम्पल ऑफ टेलिव्हिजन. ब्लॅक अँड व्हाईट होता, ओनली वन चॅनल वॉज देअर. मला वाटतं साधारण 9 वाजता टीव्ही बंद पण होऊन जायचं. आता throughout day and night television is on. There are thousands of channels being run on the television. But रिव्ह्यू घेतला तुम्ही तर पहिला जेव्हा इंट्रोड्यूस झाला आपल्याला टेलिव्हिजन तेव्हा तो फक्त ब्लॅक अँड व्हाईट होता. त्याचा स्क्रीन पण इतका चांगला नव्हता, विच यूज टू ट्रबल आवर आईज. आता तसं काही नाही आहे. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड रिव्ह्यू. आणि हाऊ वी आर इम्प्रोवायझिंग in present situation, and what are the more requirements we are having for our future, that is being portrayed, that is being shown. Okay, history is also essential in planning radio program. For example, Akashvani has preserved recordings of all the speeches delivered each year by the Prime Minister of India on 15th August. For your information, let me tell you, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru has announced India's freedom on All India Radio. That is on 15th of August 1914 ची midnight ला त्यांनी ती announcement केली आणि हे त्यांचं recording आहे ते केलेलं आहे आणि 15 ऑगस्ट ते काय बोलले सपोज आपले प्रिव्हियस प्राईम मिनिस्टर्स त्यांची डेथ झालेली असेल आणि त्यांनी स्पीच दिलेलं 15 ऑगस्टला ते रेकॉर्डिंग आकाशवाणीवर अनाउन्स केलं जातं किंवा डिस्प्ले केलं जातं. आकाशवाणी invites historians as experts for discussion on various occasions such as the anniversaries of birth or death of national leaders, anniversaries of historical events, etc. Historians ना बोलवलं जातं रेडिओवर आणि त्यांना एखादा टॉपिक दिला जातो. Parat will take an example of Baba Saheb Purandare, who was historian and who was a staunch lover of Shivaji Maharaj. त्यांना कुठचीही गोष्ट शिवाजी महाराजांच्या लाईफ वरची विचारली तर ते सांगू शकतात and he is nearing 100 years. Okay, I think he is 98 years old. Okay, lectures on the त्यांना बऱ्याच वेळा रेडिओवर बोलवलं जातं, टेलिव्हिजनवर बोलवलं जातं आणि काही क्वेश्चन्स विचारले जातात आणि ते त्याचे आन्सर्स देतात related to history. Lectures on the contribution of various national leaders need to be supported by historical information. Programs like On This Day in History are also an integral part of the daily programs of Akashvani. Okay, so this is what आता जर तुम्ही बघितलं तर तुम्ही you will find Radio Mirchi, you will find Vivid Bharati and so on. But previously शेतकऱ्यांचे मनोगत असा एक काहीतरी प्रोग्राम होता, सह्याद्रीच्या कुशीत असा एक प्रोग्राम होता which was being telecasted on television and radio also. म्हणजे ऑडिओ व्हिज्युअल हे सगळं आपल्याला बघायला मिळायचं, ऐकायला मिळायचं. Television channels also telecast programs based on history. Doordarshan and other television channels help in clearing interest in history among people through their historical shows and serials. The mythological and historical serials like Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bharat Ek Khoj and Raja Shiva Chhatrapati attracted a very large audience. Of course, Gharatle, all people like mother, father, aji, azoba, they used to sit in front of television before this program telecasted. Like महाभारत आता होणार आहे तर 5 मिनिटं आधीच सगळे टीव्हीच्या समोर येऊन बसतात किंवा रामायण असेल किंवा शिवाजी महाराजांच्यावर असेल, संभाजी महाराजांच्यावर असेल तर people take interest. Even non-Maharashtrian people tend to watch this serials. While producing this type of programs, maintaining accuracy with regard to the presentation of environment, outfits, weaponry, lifestyle, lingual expression, etc. is essential. One needs to have a deep understanding of history. Underline this. One needs to have a deep understanding of history of the concerned period. एक जरी तुम्ही चूक केली तर that is being noticed by the public, and what happens is the show is not successful. It is a failure, they call it. त्यांचे ड्रेस सेन्स बरोबर पाहिजे, त्यांचं लँग्वेज बरोबर पाहिजे किंवा त्यांचे गेस्चर्स, त्यांच्यामधला जोश हे सगळं व्यवस्थित पाहिजे. Then only this historical serials are successful. Currently, channels like Discovery, National Geographic, History, etc. have opened a rich treasure of global history for the audience. It has enabled people to view the historical and is it mm, reach traces global history for the audience. It has enabled people to view the historical and geographic uh, wonders at home. To make such programs more entertaining, some parts of the serial are actually enacted by actors such as the characters of heroic men and women, sportsmen, army chiefs, etc. Besides, I think Chief Air Marshal Manik Shah त्यांच्यावर एक मूवी निघायला लागली आहे आर्मी चीफ नंतर अर्जुन सिंग वर निघायला लागली आहे स्पोर्ट्समॅन मध्ये MS धोनी वर निघाली नंतर who was that runner even PT Usha वर निघतीये so these are the things आपल्याला एक लेसन आहे बॉक्सर what's her name आपल्याला एक लेसन आहे इंग्लिश मध्ये मेरी कॉम या मेरी कॉम त्याच्यावर एक आहे सो व्हॉट इज इट हे त्यांचे ऍक्च्युली मेरी कॉमचा रोल प्रियंका चोप्रा has done that role for that matter she had gone to म्यानमार नाही कुठे मणिपूरला जाऊन she stayed with her she had seen the way she eats she had seen the way she practices so that she can enact the proper role of Mary Kom. Children, this is not easy. So you will have to take interest and play this kind of historical or sports person's role perfectly. History of culinary arts. Culinary, this word actually is related to cooking. But here it is used as related to actually it is related to cooking but here only related to what arts culinary is means related to the culinary that means related to arts are watched by large number of people. With great interest, people with deep knowledge of history in the respective field are sought out in all the fields mentioned above. Okay, to play the historical character or to play the sportsman or to play the army chief, naval chief or air force chief, you need to leave that character to play that character perfectly. You would find this interesting. Now I'm reading the box. See, previously I think I told you, previously board has declared that the box only is for the information of student and teachers. But now they said maybe the questions we will ask on these boxes also. You would find this interesting. Bharat Ek Khoj, a serial telecasted by Doordarshan, has a special place in the history of Indian television serials. It was based on Discovery of India, a book written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The Britishers had put Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru for his freedom fighting activities. British government has put Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru into prison, and in prison he was just not wasting his time sleeping and just cursing British government, but he has written Discovery of India. It is a collection of letters which he has written to his daughter, that is Indira Gandhi. Okay, so this is extra information I have given you. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, it was directed by Shyam Benegal. This serial presented the history of India from the ancient to the modern period, throwing light on social. See, throwing light. This is important, children. You will have to just to the modern period, throwing light on social, cultural, and you underline this, throwing light on social, cultural, and political history of respective periods. It effectively portrayed many aspects of Indian history. Okay, in this discovery of India, he has mentioned uh, ancient history, modern history, and Stone Age history, like Harappan civilization, Vedic history, interpretation of Ramayana and Mahabharata. And while uh, writing about this discovery of India, he has taken the reference from Ramayana and Mahabharata. Mauryan period, Turk, Turk Afghan invasion, Mughal period, and the contribution of Mughal emperors. Okay, right from Babur, Akbar, Jahangir, Shahjahan, Aurangzeb. Okay, and the last emperor was Bahadur Shah Jafar. Bhakti movement. Role of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj movements of social role of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj movements of social reform and Indian struggle for independence, etc. He has see when he was arrested and he was put into. I'm talking about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was put into prison. That time he used to write letters to his daughter. ओके इंदिरा गांधी आणि त्या ह्याला त्यांनी सुरुवातच एन्शंट हिस्ट्री पासून केली मौर्य एम्पायर गुप्ता एम्पायर या सगळ्याची आणि त्यांनी ह्याच्यामध्ये रेफरन्स महाभारत आणि रामायणाचं दिलेलं आहे कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन्स ऑफ मुघल एम्परर भक्ती मूवमेंट role of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj movements of social reform and Indian struggle for independence etc. Roshan Seth, again, this is important. Roshan Seth, he was an actor, okay, and he has performed the role of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The actor who played Pandit Nehru's role in the serial also appeared as a narrator. Okay, um, he has acted like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and a narrator. Of course, Shyam Benegal has directed it so well. Um, for this role, he has selected Roshan Seth, who is look-alike Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and at the same time he narrates. Okay, we will watch this movie if time permits, introducing and explaining various parts of the story by dramatizing them. Of course, dramatizing is important. While storytellers become famous or they are being liked by people when they dramatize them using folklore and informative speeches. The serial was admired in all parts of India because of the comprehensive historical perspective of Pandit Nehru and its equally comprehensive visual presentation. Comprehensive is being understood, visual expression. Okay, this is all about the lesson. Mass media, we have finished. I'll be giving you notes later. You'll have to write down. And let me make one announcement. Everything, whatever I'm giving you on WhatsApp, whatever MCQ test I'm giving, everything should be in your notebook. Your notebook is having 20 marks, which will be sent to the board, which will be added to your score. So take it very seriously. Thank you.